Okay, so next thing which I want to talk about is management skills.
Management skills as a student, like this is something I'm curious to know about it.
So, I mean, management is generally seen as okay, so some kind of manager or something like that. Okay,
It's sort of a job title.
yes, but it's much more than that. If you have management skills to manage maybe your time, maybe your money,
Yeah.
right? These are something which not just a manager or someone who is at a management designation require. Everyone needs it. So you need to understand. So time management is something very important for a student.
Yeah.
If you are kind of partying and you are just not worrying about your career or the things which you have to do to help you reach your goal, then that is also not good. And that is also not good that you are just studying all the time and you are not spending time on your overall personality, right? Academics is just one area,
Yeah.
but for like communication, a skill, building hobbies, and a lot of things, right? That's a complete package. These are the things which are very much required for a better career or better career options, right? Better personality development. So you need to understand how to manage the time between different things.
Yeah.
So time management is important thing, and I think there are a lot of different aspects of management. Students can try to host the events, like
There
quiz.
are so many fests and those nowadays. Every college has different societies for different scope of interest. Like whether you're into coding, you are into some robotics, or if you're into like cultural fest and
Right.
all that. There are societies and college are giving you exposure on how to manage and host events and how to plan. So I think that can be a good area to like get an practical understanding of things.
Right, it will help them build their interpersonal skills.
Yeah.
They will understand that okay, if there is something which needs to be done, so there is a task and there is a deadline, and you just need to understand how to get it done. You need to figure out the solutions. If there is something which needs to be completed and you are stuck, you cannot just remain stuck. You need to build up an attitude that how to get it done.
Yes.
And until and unless you face such situation, it's not easy to build such kind of skills, right? So that's why I'm saying management skills are very important. And if they are organizing some events, maybe tech events or something like that, or maybe they are kind of trying to build a software as a team, maybe 4 or 5 people, they are in a group and they want to build something.
Correct.
So they need to manage different parts of the software development life cycle also.
Correct.
So management skills is a kind of a bigger picture. They need to understand how to manage different aspects of life, of college, of studies, of everything. Right? Yes. So that's why I'm saying management skills.
There are so many deadlines. You have to submit your assignments, you have to attend your test, you have to submit your reports, and apart from that, if you are managing other things as well, like your fest and events as well, so it will give you a better idea like how it will prepare you for upcoming things in your life when you have so many things going on and everything needs to be done at within a certain time limit.
Right, and it becomes more important because as you said about assignments and classes or lectures, every student is attending the lectures.
Yeah.
Maybe if you are bunking here and there, but most of them are attending.
Correct.
Right. Most of them are submitting the assignments also. I would say majority of them are submitting the assignments also. And if just classes and assignments are consuming your whole time, then it means you do not have time to build your personality, you do not have time to build your other skills, which are expected by the industry.
Yeah.
So when they are expecting something, it's not just because they want something. It's because they also understand that they have a lot of candidates which are managing these things really well.
Correct.
So someone is expecting because some people are having those skills. And when some people are having those skills, I mean, they are managing their time well, right? It means some of them are not able to manage their time well. That's why they are just focused on your classes and lectures, and that's it.
Correct. That's the bare minimum that you have to do.
That's the bare minimum you have to do, right?
Yes.
So it's like you are forced to do something.
Yeah.
So don't do that part. Manage a lot of things.
That's a really good and different perspective about management.
Yes, and we generally, get to learn all these things when we start job,
Yeah.
right?